In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do the Renegade row exercise with kettlebells. Now, this is a fantastic exercise, not only to work core stability, but also to work the muscles of your upper back as well. Now, the kettlebells are a progression on dumbbells. So if you've never done this exercise before, try it out with those hex style dumbbells, the ones that when they're in contact with the floor, they've got less chance of moving before you come into the kettlebell variation of this. Now, those that are familiar with core training, you're going to be in a high plank or a mountain climber style position. If I show you that without the kettlebells first. So the mountain climber position is going to consist of the hands are going to be shoulder width apart. You're going to come back and extend to a nice tall position, nice neutral spine, always keeping the chin down. In the Renegade row, if you do this position, it's going to be hard. If you do this position, wide stance, it's going to be substantially easier. So if you want to progress this, you can progress it with weights or with stance as well. Now, when we come into setting up the kettlebells, you want the kettlebells at shoulder width apart. Then you're going to come into that same position we just did, that mountain climber position. So I want the wrists here to be directly underneath the shoulders. I'm going to come into that wide stance, and I'm going to start to bring one kettlebell up, rowing up and back down, trying to keep my core braced, nice neutral spine as I do the exercise. Once you've done your desired amount of repetitions, you can then decide again to narrow the stance in, or alternatively, to make the kettlebells heavier. That's how to do a Renegade row with kettlebells.